Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a dividend reinvestment calculator works to project 10-year wealth growth. First, the calculator starts with your starting investment, which means the amount of money you invest today. For example, if you begin with $10,000, this becomes the foundation of your dividend growth plan. Next, the calculator adds your regular contributions, because monthly or yearly investments can increase your total portfolio value over time. For example, adding $200 every month helps your investment grow faster than relying only on the starting amount. After that, you enter the dividend yield, which estimates how much dividend income your investment may generate each year. For example, a 4% dividend yield means the portfolio may produce dividend income based on 4% of its value. Then, you choose growth assumptions, because dividend investing is affected by both dividend growth and share price growth. For example, you may estimate 6% yearly dividend growth and 5% yearly share price growth to see how your portfolio could increase over 10 years. Next, you turn on dividend reinvestment, which means the dividends you receive are used to buy more shares instead of being taken as cash. As a result, more shares can produce more dividends, and this creates the power of compounding. Afterward, the calculator runs the 10-year projection by combining your contributions, price growth, and reinvested dividends. This helps estimate your future portfolio value, your share growth, and your annual dividend income over the full period. Then, you review the results to understand the possible outcome. For example, the total contributed amount may reach $34,000, while the estimated ending value may grow to around $50,000 or more. At the same time, the estimated annual dividend income in year 10 may reach around $2,000 or more, depending on the assumptions used. In addition, the calculator shows how reinvestment can increase the number of shares owned over time. This is important because owning more shares can help generate higher future dividend income. Finally, the outcome can change based on several factors. A higher dividend yield may increase income, while higher growth may improve long-term portfolio value. Also, more time strengthens compounding, and regular contributions can accelerate the results. Overall, a dividend reinvestment calculator helps investors estimate how small regular investments, dividend income, and reinvestment can work together to build wealth over 10 years. However, this is only an illustrative example, because actual returns, dividends, and market prices can vary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.